Today we're making pecan pie thumbprint cookies. Just in time for the upcoming winter holidays, this cookie is great for those that want something that resembles a pecan pie without having to actually make a full-blown pecan pie. To get started, we need 1 cup of softened butter. This recipe calls for unsalted butter, but I only ever buy salted, so that's what I'm using here. Next goes in 1/2 cup of sugar. We're gonna mix this up real quick. I will also insert an ingredients list towards the end of this video, so no need to write anything down. In goes 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix, mix, mix. The ingredients and directions are also posted down below in the description box. For the dry ingredients, we need 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And that's it, we're pretty much done with the base of the cookie. We're just gonna mix this up until it's all nice and smooth. If it helps, grab a spatula just to make sure everything looks good. Grab your cookie scooper and scoop out some dough. We're gonna roll our dough into a ball like this and place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Continue until you run out of dough. Next, we're gonna grab a little bit of sugar. This is just regular granulated sugar, and coat the back of a teaspoon-sized measuring spoon. Take your coated measuring spoon and gently press down firmly into the center of your cookie. This will leave a nice little well for our pecan pie filling. If your dough begins to crack like this on the sides, don't worry. The dough is soft enough that you can, more or less, smoosh it back together without much effort. Do this for all of your dough balls. Let's make the filling. To a bowl, we need 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and 3/4 cup of finely chopped pecans. Add those to the bowl and mix. Once your filling looks completely mixed, grab a teaspoon-sized measuring spoon and transfer about that amount into each well of each cookie, like so. I like to gently tap it down, move it around just a bit just to make sure the filling looks evenly distributed. If it looks like your cookie could stand for a little bit more filling, then by all means, add some more. Just keep in mind there is a slight chance the filling may overflow during the baking process if you did add a bit too much. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And here they are, looking really good. After about 2 to 3 minutes, move them to a cooling rack to completely cool. Once cooled, these cookies are stackable and travel well. I think they're a great addition to lunch boxes, especially around the holidays, almost like a preview of what to expect during Thanksgiving. Great for holiday office parties as it's a very uncommonly seen cookie. Here's an ingredients list for those of you that are interested. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.